Hi everyone. Today I'm going to talk about two wonderful herbs, Passionflower and Blue Vervain. Passionflower being a mild sedative and Blue Vervain being a nervine. So the reason I want to use Passionflower and Blue Vervain to aid my body in promoting restful sleep and a calmer state during stressful times is that Passionflower being a mild sedative and then Blue Vervain being a nervine have two different actions and complement each other when combined in a tincture formula. So today I'm going to make a tincture of Passionflower and a tincture of Blue Vervain. Of course, that has to sit for 6 weeks to 2 months before I can use it. So I bought some Passionflower extract from this company, Mountain Rose Herbs, and I can give you a link to their website. They sell all organically grown herbs, and they have a really nice philosophy about sustainability. And this is what I bought the Blue Vervain in. I like what they say, botanical goodness. So I've been taking Passionflower for the last week to aid in my sleep. I take a small amount at night, 1/4 of a dropper full, and it aids me in falling asleep, and I have a really good heavy sleep and wake up rested. Now, it does have some side effects if you take too much. I took 1/2 dropper full at first and woke up very drowsy. So, you know, whenever you're taking herbs, you always want to consult your physician. I have 80 proof vodka here. And then I have Passionflower. And because it's dried, I'm going to fill this quart jar half full of Passionflower. Passiflora incarnata, a beautiful perennial climbing vine, parts used of leaf and flower, contains compounds that keep the neurotransmitter GABA in the system, which is responsible for promoting a calm and relaxed state. We're going to do the same thing with the Blue Vervain. Fill the jar half full. Verbena hastata, a modest wildflower that regulates hormones, calms mind, reduces stress, and promotes relaxation. Helps your body find balance. So there they are. It's so easy to make, and it's very satisfying to do it myself. But these guys are going to sit in a dark room, and then I'll shake them every day for 6 weeks, and then strain them, and then blend them together 50-50 for a nighttime sleepy blend. But meanwhile, I'll take my Passionflower extract that I got from Mountain Rose Herbs. That really helps me at night. So the use of these two herbs will help bring my body back into a natural calm state. And I hope it inspired you to make your own blend and to do your research. And thanks for learning along with me. And I'll just keep learning, and I'll share the next thing I learn with you in the next video. So take good care. See you next time.